Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna be getting into the I will be getting into the Bloodlust palette one more time. I was going to do the look I did the other day, but I actually wanted to try out Bleeding Heart this time. I don't know how I feel about this look coming out so far, but we'll see when it's finished. But if y'all want to see how I finish up this look, stay tuned. Okay, the first color that we're going to dip into is Deviant. Oh my goodness, that crinkly bag. And the next color we're going to dip into is Dungeon. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. And then the next color we're going to go in with is Bleeding Heart. Then I'm going to get a small flat tipped brush with the same color and go around the top of the crease. And then next we're going to pack Executioner on the outer corner. And then I'm just going to get my finger and dab some of that on. And the next color we're going to go in with is Blood Queen, and we're just going to put that in the corner. Into the red. With that same color, with the same brush, I'm going to blend out Blood Queen into the crease. And then with my finger, I'm just gonna go in with Betrayal and put that on top of Blood Queen. And then we're gonna put Executioner right under the lash line. And then next we're gonna go in with the color Sworn Enemy. And I'm not quite sure if like anybody else has this problem with the color, but it's kind of like a Play-Doh or clay-like texture when you're trying to pick it up. It more so like moves around than picking up on the brush. But once it's applied, it looks really nice. And I think the next color that I'm going to dip in is Wet Jewel. And I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. And then for the inner corner, I'm just going to go in with Beauty Sleep. And then I haven't done a brow highlight in a while, so I'm going to use Beauty Sleep, the same one I used for the inner corner, and go below the brow. Okay, now I'm just gonna put on some mascara, liner, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, and then for blush, we're gonna use the Royal Pain. Is it? Yeah. And of course on the nose. And I think for highlighter this time, instead of using Gold Breaker, I'm gonna use, is it Cocky? And then the tip of the nose and the bridge, of course. And then I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Violet Fury purple lipstick. And then for the center, we're gonna use a bunny from the Kylie Cosmetics. And then this is the finished look. If y'all like this video and like this look, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you guys later. Bye!